startup is building a hydrogen-powered, hypersonic plane that can travel at 5 times the speed of sound. The Swiss startup Destinus is building a hydrogen-powered hypersonic plane. It could fit approximately 25 passengers and is expected to be ready by 2030. It claims that by using hydrogen to power the plane, this would be more environmentally sustainable than current aircraft because it would emit no carbon, just heat and water vapor, when compared to the mass of kerosene, which powers traditional aircraft. This is 3 times more energy efficient, the company has claimed. You can reach the other side of the world in 3 to 4 hours without compromising on versatility, cost, or noise, Destinus said. The company believes the long range and high-speed capabilities of its proposed hypersonic plane could open new flight paths for cargo and passenger transportation anywhere on Earth. To make traveling from London to New York in under 2 hours possible, the aircraft would need to fly at altitudes of over 31 miles, or 163,680 feet. At these high velocities, it's a challenge to keep the structure cold. Therefore, we are developing a unique active cooling system solution that converts the thermal energy generated by friction with air into propulsion, said Destinus, keeping the structure cold enough to survive the external hot flow conditions while powering the rocket engines. Once closer to the destination, the hypersonic airplanes gently reduce the amount of thrust generated and enter progressively into a gliding phase, ready for landing. The plane would use hydrogen-fueled turbojet engines for takeoff and landing, while a separate ramjet chemical rocket engine would propel the aircraft to hypersonic speeds. Destinus is a designer and producer of ultra-long-range hypersonic aircraft that integrate easily into everyday life because it avoids creating noise and can use conventional airports, the company added. In November 2022, Destinus revealed that it had completed a successful flight test of its Eiger prototype at an airport near Munich. It said it was analyzing data from that while working on a new model that will serve as a testbed for supersonic flight and hydrogen propulsion. The firm said that it aims to start these flight campaigns for this new prototype by the end of 2023. Commercial supersonic passenger flights ended in 2003 when Air France and British Airways retired Concorde, but the potential for future travel using a similar aircraft has been talked about among a number of major aviation players. Boeing, for instance, planned to test a hydrogen-powered jet engine by the middle of the 2020. Boom Supersonic has plans for supersonic flight in the U.S., while Hermes is partnering with the U.S. Air Force and NASA to develop a series of autonomous aircraft. Venus Aerospace, a Houston startup, wants to get passengers from Los Angeles to Tokyo in 1 hour using a Mach 12 hypersonic aircraft. Thanks for watching.